Do you know? Many molded fiber equipment manufacturers have never produced molded fiber tableware themselves. But Far East GeoTegrity is different. We are not only a machinery manufacturer, we are also a molded fiber products manufacturer. Every day, our own factories operate the equipment we design and build. From equipment R&D, to mold design, to product manufacturing, to real-world customer applications, we have integrated the entire value chain. The challenges our customers face, we face them too. The costs our customers care about, we calculate every day. The quality our customers pursue, we continuously verify through real production. That's why we don't sell equipment developed only in laboratories. We deliver production solutions that have been validated through millions of manufacturing cycles. Since 1992, Far East GeoTegrity has been a pioneer in the molded fiber industry, driven by both machinery manufacturing and product production. We continue to lead the future of intelligent molded fiber manufacturing worldwide. We don't just manufacture production equipment. We use our own equipment every day to create value.